You're-based and Yoruba actress OLAIDE Oyedeji addressed the people criticizing her because she divorces her husband.
I'm begging in the name of God. It's actually too early. What is the meaning of this rubbish now? I don't know when in Nigeria relationship will turn to a do or die affair. And everybody, you people will be dropping hate comment on my post. Because I said I'm not doing anymore. Is it by force?
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, arábìnrin tí a mọ̀ sí Ọláìdé Oyèdèjì ó ti jáde ó ti sunkún síta lórí bí àwọn èèyàn bí wọ́n ṣe stọ́ọ̀kì péjì rẹ̀ lórí pé ó sọ wípé òun ò ṣì mọ́ òun ò fẹ́ ọkọ òun mọ́. Ó arábìnrin yìí ẹ sì mọ̀ wípé ẹ ò rí nínú fíìmù Yorùbá mọ́ ó ti kúrò ní Nàìjíríà. Ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí arábìnrin yìí kí ó sọ.
You will not just stay on my comment section alone. You will have the effort. You still come to my DM. You'll be cussing me out because I said I'm not doing anymore. Are you moving towards the wrong direction? You'll be coming to my page. Series of Ekpelojojumo. And most of it is coming from women. Efe shori buruku ni. Is it by force? The man you people are soliciting for, the man you people are fighting me for, if you are in your right senses, won't you think that in Kotobada and your king Juleni? If I wasn't good, I'm going to tell you people this once and for all. If I was not good, all these niggas that you see, all these guys that you see that don't want me to go, don't make me your daddy want to Juminu. But because I have one or two impacts in their life, that is why they all want to come back. You can't hold on to something that is not good. And you guys that are fighting for him so much, hey, they're not facing my fault. You people should leave me alone. What foolish person is now telling me that all these are for it? Because are you mad? Gbogbo ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá ṣépè fún mi lórí relationship yẹn pé máa bá wọn àti ìdílé ẹ̀ ni. Is it a must? But because now I'm a celebrity, it is not oti kokpa that I can't live a shitty relationship if I'm not happy. Everyone be telling me, say your own piece, say your own part of the story, so people will stop cursing you. Kò ní dá fún gbogbo yín tẹ̀ ń curse me out. You people are moving towards the wrong direction. You rubbish wolele now. I don't want to say my own part. Simple. Keep hating me for it, but stop coming into my DM and stop cursing me. Because I live one foolish relationship. Family in Jesu. And for all of you paying blogs to bring down my brand, àtọwọ́ sọ, àtọwọ́ gbà, àgbàlọ́mà báyìí ní lórúkọ Jesu. What's the meaning of this rubbish now? Is it a must? The relationship to the do or die affair. And you people will now come every time you be cussing me out. You'll be telling me I'm not a good woman, Mogba. Hey, the family and Hebrew women. Is it by force? If the relationship is good, if the relationship is okay, will I leave? Because anybody don't like a better thing. Nobody does not want a good thing. If that thing is good, you never let go of something that is good. You never let go of something that is good. I'm saying this again. You people should leave me alone, no? You don't like it? Unfollow me. I am not going to say my own side of the story. Probably in the nearest future, but not today. You people are looking for somebody you are going to laugh at her pain. Please, so you people should just leave me. Won't beg you again for the very last time. Please leave me alone, no. Please leave me alone. I'm not coming to tell you people how you're running your relationship. You are in a relationship. You think you're in a relationship, and you are single. Most of you are in a relationship, but at the same time, you are single. You are better off staying alone. But because you're all crazy, I should be leaving your relationship because of what people will say, because of how people will feel. Fuck y'all. wàhálà iná la máa fi wọná 2023 èpè la máa fi máa support èpè ṣe ní pé kò fẹ́ bẹ́ ṣúọ́ fún yín ni ká kúlù fún gbogbo yín pátá.